Hi, welcome back to Art by Brooke. I'm excited to bring you another geode paint pour for this video. I am still working on using up my old paint, so I will be doing that for this painting. It makes me a little bit nervous to do this technique with older paint because I know some of them have clumps in them, so I'm going to have to try to keep an eye on that and try to grab it before I tilt because that can really screw up the rings of the geode. Something I have that I may use if needed is paper clips that I have stretched out so I can kind of scoop any clumps out. I'm using some various blues, which includes a metallic blue, a bronze, silver, a sparkly silver, and white. All right, let's get started. All right. So this is not the usual geode that I do. As I was tilting it, some of the edges got caught in weird ways, and I really couldn't get it back to where I wanted it to be. So I decided to make it kind of more of a close-up piece, and I really do like the swoop in here. And some of these cells that popped up in here are really cool too. You also probably saw that I accidentally touched the side down here, so I had to turn it around and kind of adjust it as best as I could. Basically, it just revealed white in here, and I tried to scoop some colors up that had fallen and kind of cover that. It's not perfect, but I think it blends a little bit better now. I'm going to let it sit for probably just about 5 minutes. These don't tend to change that much as they sit because I'm not trying to get cells, so I probably don't need to let it sit as long. And we're back. So let's take a closer look here. I really like the outer rings a lot. I think they ended up looking pretty natural. There's like this really cool kind of turquoisey color in there, and I think it comes from the lighter blue I used, maybe mixed with something else. And a lot of these rings have metallic in them, so those will be really, really shiny once this is dry. Now this is super interesting. I didn't get a lot of cells anywhere except here. I think one of my whites might have a little bit of the DecoArt satin enamel, but I don't think it's the white that was in there. I'm not quite sure. And then these over here look really cool. You see all the different layers of the different blues. And then here is a metallic blue. I think this is the Sapphire one. And I felt like that was way too intense, so I wanted to add a little bit to the corner here, and that's the dark blue we have. And here is the side where we had some trouble. But the good thing is, this is like the only time that it's good that my table is not level. It is pulling the paint over the side. So I'm letting it do that for a little bit before I move the painting, and then I'm going to move it to an area for drying that is hopefully a little bit more level. So that is it for this painting. It was great to get back into the geode mode, and I've missed doing these. And I know a lot of you out there really like these videos, so I'm happy to share this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment down below what you think. Please share this with your friends if you think they'd enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.